Hi there! Let's use the filters in the Librarians Teach marketplace so you can find exactly what you need for your lessons to teach or for your next online course. I'm Colette Jacobowitz from Librarians Teach, and this video is going to show you how to use the filters to make sure that you can find exactly the product you need, whether it is editable or not, whether it has a lesson plan or not, and if it fits the grade level that you're looking for. So let's get started. So this is the homepage at shoplibrariansteach.com. And from here, there's two ways you can use the filter. The first is to scroll down to where the categories list is, and you can actually filter everything in the whole shop, kindergarten, pre-K, all the way up through 12th grade. And you can sort it by grade level. You can sort it by whether something is editable or not, whether it has a lesson plan, and even how many class periods an item is intended to be used for. So for example, I'm going to actually go into the Library Center section and use the filter button to say I'm only looking for perhaps a kindergarten, lessons that I know will work for kindergarten for library centers. And then I'm also going to make sure something is editable. Now with editable items, there's three options that are like, yes, they are editable. One is that everything is editable. The second is that everything instructional is, so you won't be able to remove any of the images or clip art, but you'll be able to edit the text mostly. And then some materials are editable, might include a template that you can edit and change, but some materials would be locked down in a PDF that you would be able to just print out. So I'm going to select yes, and I will also select some materials. That gives me a little bit more here to work with. And then I'm going to further go down and say that, yes, I would like there to be a lesson plan, or perhaps it doesn't matter if it has a lesson plan or not. So if I already have lesson plans or I don't need to return them in, I might say no to this one. And so these items don't include a lesson plan, but they would be quick and easy ways to incorporate an activity that is a library center. However, I can also remove a filter here and go back to where I was. So this is a very simple way to make sure that I can edit the items in some way, shape, or form for the library center that I'm looking for, and I know it will work for kindergarten. The second way that you can use our filtering system is to do a search. So if I am starting perhaps a new research unit or project with my classes, I might search for just the word research and then use the filter button to narrow down what I'm looking for. So let's say it is a third grade research project, and then I'm going to also filter it down by price. Let's say the higher prices are usually going to be bundles, so I'm going to take this down to look at mostly single items. And then I'm also going to say that, yes, I would like these to be editable. So I'll say yes for instructional materials and yes for most items. And yes for everything. All right, and then finally I'm going to narrow it down and say, yes, I would like a lesson plan. Since this is an instructional project or unit, I may need to hand in a lesson plan along with the teacher's lesson plan. So I will say yes, and perhaps I'm not required to have ASL standards, so I'll also select the one that just says yes here. Oh, here we are. So here are my choices now. I've narrowed it down using all of those filters that are now active. And now I have 5 items that fit with what I'm looking for. So that's using the search section. Anytime that you type something into the search bar and perform a search, then you can use those filters to further filter down your search results. And so I hope this has been helpful. Please do let us know if you have any questions. You can always reach out to us by using our Contact Us form, or you can also leave a comment wherever you see this video. Thanks and take care. Bye.